the ledge that the wing on the seed boot is making. And you'll see there's a seed stuck in the mud there, and down here is where the disc would have been cutting, and we're using liquid fertilizer so you can't see the fertilizer, but the fertilizer will be down in the bottom here. And so your seed separation here is showing about 1.5 inches vertical, and then the seeds will be spread out on here. um, Somewhat difficult. There's another one there to find at times because they're stuck in the mud. There's another one there. Okay, scraper adjustment. Tighten the top bolt, compress it approximately 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. And once that one is tight, then start on the front one, and you can watch the scraper come in towards the disc. You can see there's a bit bigger of a gap on the bottom. You'll take the back bolt and adjust it, and it will steer that scraper parallel to the disc. And go back to the front one and just simply bring it in. And that's your scraper adjustment. Simple. Change the seat depth. Simply loosen the cam lever by lifting until it's free and move it up one notch. One notch on the indicator is 5/16 of an inch. Torque it down fairly decently so that it doesn't rattle loose in the field. That's as simple as it is. As you change the depth on the opener, if you've moved it a 1/2 inch, you should change your frame height to match that. So 1/2 inch for seat depth, 1/2 inch for the frame. The Separation adjustment is a 15/16 socket. It's this center bolt. Simply loosen that bolt and it'll disengage the teeth. Move it up 1 notch or 2 notches, 1 notch being a 1/4 inch increments. This allows for the changes of wearing down the disc. You can set your separation back to the desired amount, 1.5 inch being a fairly standard setting for this opener. And then the cleaner wheel adjustment is the front bolt over here. The spindle runs through there, and by simply loosening this bolt, putting the wrench on, move it up, and that again is for most part a seasonal adjustment. As your disc wears, this wheel you want it running 1/2 inch to 1 inch above the ground, and that's all the adjustments on the opener.